Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to replace a pollen filter on a Volkswagen Tiguan. After 2015, most pollen filters are located behind the glove box. I like to sit in the passenger seat, and then there's just two tabs, one on each side. Press up on them and the glove box door should release. And then I like to use my knees or shins to support it from falling all the way down. Behind there, you can see this door. This is the cover for the pollen filter housing. There's three tabs. You just press down on them. Sometimes if you can't get your fingers in there, like a pick or a pocket screwdriver will help you release them. And then note the direction of airflow is from top to bottom. Just pull the old filter out. Grab our new filter, put it in. Note the direction of airflow is still from top to bottom. Just insert it, push it all the way to the back. And then assembly is the reverse of removal. There's just three tabs you need to line up here in the bottom, and then push the top tabs back in until they audibly click, and then push the glove box forward, and that's it.